a decade too. Channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video, you leave it. So the kid who can see it and read it. New video I got upload weekly. Press like, so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. If you support the channel, that not killer. So I'm here cleaning my room, packing up some things. Yeah. And I found this wig. Yeah, I know it won't fit. Jesus, why did I have to drop it? The other day, it was so not up. I tell him I have to cut off some parts of it. So I decided that I'm gonna put it on because like your girl been catching up her hair from when going to work and birthday coming up. I'm gonna install a wig. I'm not telling y'all what wig it is as yet. And yeah, I'm gonna see if I put on this. So let's stay till the end of the video. When I'm finished packing up and fixing up this place, I'll get back to you guys. I actually have a meeting right now, so I'm gonna go to that meeting, shower, braid back my hair, and get back to y'all. So just stay tuned. So guys, I'm just done corner the ear. I'm on the meeting right now. Them not done yet, but no man. Don't mind this. Yeah, you sure? Tell me if you can see it. I'm gonna try. I tried. Yeah. So meeting so up, I go shower and then start my ear. So I'm all cleaned up now. You can see some glue from head to toe. I mean, I'm a pajama. This is what I wear to bed. I'm have a underpants. Too much information. Anyways, so here cornrow, as you can see, I'm just gonna use a little bit of my Mega Care hair growth oil in between here, so you know, just a little bit because it's running. Oh my god, it's too much. Yep, I am. I'm just running through so that the ear don't get dry under the wig. I don't want it too early either. So I'm doing this installation standing up. Reason being, y'all saw all my room was before and it's not quite done yet. So this is my birthday week, but I'm not showing y'all until that day. So I have this is the glue I have. I want to give you this, so I have to be careful. I guess the brush is still you whatever. I have my moves, I got to be glue, and I have my stocking cap. This is an old stocking cap. I see them go back side. How they shoot the pretty your face. Oh my god. I remember them something like this is a scissor I have. I have a razor and I have this thing where you can shave it out with this blade. Let's do this. Supposed to go behind here, Jesus. Elbow. Cut out the mouth. I can't breathe. So I see them do it now. Don't bash me now. Cut out the eye. Alright, so the next time I install a wig, I'm not gonna do this. We're just gonna be smart. I'm doing how a lot of people do. This is crazy. Are y'all seeing me? Huh. Oh my god. What have I done? Alright. Now, get ready. Cool. Oh, I need to get my blow dryer. I'm literally not using a mirror. I'm using you guys as my mirror. So now, I get my blow dryer and make this dry. It's like one big package though. Alright, it seems to be dried up now. So, the way they do, they'll cut this. I want to cut myself. I'm going to put in the stuff I recently. Getting somewhere. I don't want to cut me hair either. How about this?
No, 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 no. Oh, he tried it.
Ladies, you know no business. Come on, ladies. What am I can do this?
Oh.
Come on, so bad. What is bad? Yes, sir. I want to do with the back of the head something. I want to do with it. I want to do with it. Cut it. Cut me, cut that now. So now, okay, so as you said, how about this? Check me, okay? Put some spray, yes. Alright. It have no, I can't make it stay so. Yeah, use the glue. I hope this can come off any done now. Because I'm just one here so. No, on the edge. Jeez, pop off. I don't remember you yesterday. I don't remember that way. That one I don't want to blind people, yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah. What should we use this stuff in that now? Now I'm feeling that. About right here, I might pay someone to install it for me. Because you know I remember. Alright. Let's get tinted. I only have this. I don't like it. I hate it. Really, we take this to a different level. You look bad yet? And that's the effect I want to look bad. Somebody come sponsor me a makeup set. When something I do. Can I wear makeup? You want bush? Alright, you know what? I'm done with balling. I look loud. I am balling. Not cute with ballet. No. Cat shorts. Alright, so the wig here now. I'm full on this. Go wash my hand and come back. Next time I'm not gonna be so extra with the bad cap. I'm not gonna like in terms of pulling it down and my face and everything. I'm just gonna use it as it is because look at the sides, there's nothing to cover my hair. But whatever. And so put the whole thing in. So sweep from the bottom to the top. But from the top, make it drop. Yeah, this no like it's there. This one do the sides. And like this. What come out? Guys, when I don't know what to do it. Like some gun in the ear too far. Now let that dry. This one complete. Come on because apparently that way are stretches. And because the hair when I use this not like this terrible man. Alright. I'll put on the wig. Today I like my ballad. What do you think? Cute? 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 I don't want to make a go right now. Center. my spray bottle. I'm not lying. I just come from the bathroom and I wet the wig because the mousse I let me down. And here it is. This look like a headband wig. Where I wear so down. Cute. Tight or something so tight. I don't like this. I don't like the glue. I'm not even like it for. I like this. Don't even know. Where's the cover? I'm done my look for it. For the edges, see if we can take out piece. Some piece. I cut my wig, you know. I stay like that. No, I cut my wig. I'm not doing the edges though, guys. Let's see wig there for me. If me do edges with a wig, yeah, would have to go on hair salon and make them revive the wig and do look at edges. But for now, we're gonna keep it as is. Let me kind of brush it down. Got my bed, so I could just catch up the wig. I just put it on my bonnet. I'm not want to take my top. I put on my bonnet. Wrap on there, so I know that wig can stay. Well, I did a pretty good job at letting it stay on my head. Comment down below what y'all think. Oh, this cute, cute. Just comment below what y'all think about this installation. But cute with some edges too, you know. Tell me what y'all really think about it and grade me. I'm open to any criticism because it's my first time and you know, first timers. Just like when you first do that thing there, you never know what to do. So this is my first time, so nobody cuss me out or whatever. Tell me what you think, really and truly. Definitely, if I had a little bit more mousse, it would be better. I'm going to my bed now because I work tomorrow. Yeah. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.